I pushed in? No, fine. So it looks like they're testing the horns work. Coming through, the horns work. Well, they were just testing the bow thrusters. They were just a second ago. So I fired it up, but having the horns go off, that was even better. Oh well. I'm here. I got a good work. Oh, there you go. See that? There you go. Oh well, I gotta go to work. That was pretty out of nowhere. Hey man, we're gonna maybe where? Okay, well. Oh yeah, look there. Did they throw the lines? Are they actually pulling her out? Oh, they are. Well, they threw the lines. Well, this will be an unusual video for everyone. That's the reason why they honked the horns. They's going in reverse. They's backing her up. Yeah, they're really using those bow thrusters. That's a rig, boys and girls. Yeah, he's gonna start pushing this one real hard now. He's gonna swing that bow over to starboard with that port thruster right there. The four winds. Yeah, I was just outside on dock with them with their huge Newfoundlands. Of course, this is just my dinghy. I wish. What a ride. That's unusual, kids. CCW, again, here for the unusual. Peace and love.